Put the value of this function at x tends to infinity. If I give a question like this, you first of all consider the highest power. Here is 2. That means this and this doesn't even matter because as this one goes higher, you do not come close to it. So you only consider this. So what we have here will be the limit of x squared as x tends to infinity. We are literally not plug in the value of infinity here. No. Just imagine a number that is very, very large, in which when you square it, what will you get? So let's say you put in 10 billion here. That means 10 billion multiply itself, you're going to give something higher than that. So as this now, as this one goes towards infinity, of course, the answer will also be in infinity. That's all about it.